Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I just want to do a quick shout out. We have another fellow YouTuber here, and they go by BRAYSAWAY on YouTube, and so they have a reflection that's in here, and so they had a problem with their refrigerator in the slide out. The actual floor was busted loose, so we went ahead and got that secured and fixed for them. But they're also having a problem with the bedroom slide out. So let's go check this out this way. Doing this reverse so you can actually see me a little bit. Somebody said, hey, I don't ever see Dustin no more. I just see him talking about stuff. So this slide out right here, bedroom slide out's had an issue with it. And I guess they've already had the slide out system replaced in it twice. Well, I guess the guys found out that it's chewing up the gears and stuff in there and that there's damage to it. So they're recommending to replace it again which I guess would be the third time or maybe the fourth. I'm not sure. Check the history. But I've looked the whole coach all over, and I didn't see anything wrong. I walked around, I did my inspection on the body just to see if I seen anything, bug screens, any of the moldings, all the side trim, the S-Lock stuff's all done. Fender skirts are all good. Everything's sealed up really good. I'll come back here to the back and catch their logo for you without trying to get the license plate in it. But, oops, where am I at here? There they are right there. So anyways, stay tuned for more. And like I said, as soon as they're gonna come pick up today, and then we'll know more on if they're gonna go back to the existing dealership that did the last install of that Schwentech, or if it's something that we're gonna order for them and get it fixed as well. I didn't get a chance because I was out yesterday to check on the guys while they were fixing the refrigerator slide out. So this has got one of those big residential refrigerators that broke loose from the floor of the corner of the slide out. So we've got some other videos on that, so keep an eye on that. This happens to be a model number 337 RLS, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Dustin, your RV specialist.